Hello, this is Connor with Microgreens Part 11. This is one of our last videos we'll be doing, and it's sad, I'll miss all of you. But we will have plenty more videos coming up in the future. So the thing I'm going to teach this time around is how to deal with mold. So as you can see right here, there's a bit of mold there. That is not root hair. I don't know if you can see it too well, but see those little black dots? It's kind of like there's some black dots and it's gray. And also just how big it is. Root hair does not get this big and this gray. So one of the things to help prevent this is to avoid water building up, like how there's a bunch of water in there. So you want to pour that out in the sink. Look at how much water was in there. Doing that 5 to 15 minutes after you've watered the microgreens will really help. That way all the roots have soaked up some of the water. Tip number 2, you've already gotten this much mold, so what you can do is you can go ahead and pick some of this stuff out. It is not a perfect solution, but it definitely helps clear out some of that mold there. One thing to keep in mind is that mold will travel from plant to plant. So if you have other plants, it is highly recommended to put your Meow Greens outside and just clip the top. The top should be safe for the cats as long as the mold doesn't get too close to it. Mold does not like the cold or any dry climate. The place that mold thrives is warm, damp, and cold. It also does not like sunlight, so if you leave your Meow Greens out in the sunlight for a bit, then you'll have less likelihood of mold. The other thing that is really important with growing Meow Greens is to water around here. Try not to get too close into the inside, because that is where everything is so condensed that it is a breeding ground for mold. So that might be something that will really help you in the future. I hope this has helped you, and I will see you for another part 12, where I will be showing you the best ways to feed Meow Greens to your pets. I can't wait to see you then.